everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Reclaim AI from Dropbox. You see, it claims to be the AI calendar for your work and your life. The AI calendar that optimizes everyone's schedule. So you can get started, it is definitely free. So let's get started with the review. You see, Reclaim AI is a smart calendar tool designed to help individuals and teams optimize their schedules and find time for important work habits and meetings. It integrates with existing calendars like Google Calendar and project management tools to automatically schedule tasks and routines based on priorities and availability. Users often praise Reclaim for its ability to defend focused time against excessive meetings, automate the scheduling of recurring habits, and simplify finding meeting times with colleagues. Its features like smart meeting scheduling links and time tracking are frequently highlighted as beneficial for improving productivity and work-life balance. However, some common points of feedback include a potential learning curve to fully customize the AI scheduling, the lack of a dedicated mobile app. Though it is mobile-friendly via the web, it does not have a dedicated mobile app, and its task management features being relatively basic compared to dedicated project management software. So while it is effective for calendar optimization and time blocking, it may not be a complete replacement for robust projects or task management tools for all users. So what are you waiting for? Try the #1 AI app for work. Sign up for free and see if it's as really as it claims to be.